We all come here to this beautiful mountaintop location to dedicate ourselves.
I think part of the beauty is no matter what time of year you are here, you're going to experience nature in a way that I think is really inspiring to the artist.
These teachers are incredible. They're masters of what they do, and they know how to find the little things that you're struggling with, no matter what level you're on.
I also really enjoy the individuality that is focusing on your own work and coming up with what works for you.
I was actually scared that creative writing wouldn't be as interesting as art, but I don't know if art can top this because creative writing is really fun because of our teacher.
Fundamentally, we're talking about an immersive experience. These students have self-selected. They recognize the artist that they currently are, the artist they want to be. So really the privilege of being director of orchestras here is to take students who are already at such a level of artistic and technical achievement and point them in the direction so that they are achieving a musical communication that can move audiences.
I got to be DP on 2 of the films, and I'm going to be doing producer on another one of them. It's really, really fun. I really enjoy it. You really get to explore sort of creativity.
It's been great. I'm very happy that I get to do something specialized to film, as well as kind of be in a camp setting. So it's going great. There are people who share interests with me, so I get to kind of meet people who are kind of on my wavelength, as well as do things that I really enjoy.
We build off of each other's ideas. There's this kid in the class who's like really talented, and I'm collaborating with him on like a cool evening gown.
We really want to train versatile dancers. So our dancers study ballet. We use the American Ballet Theater curriculum for our ballet training. We also offer many styles of contemporary modern dance.
I love musicals because I can do all of my passions like dance, sing, and act. I'm really happy with the instructors.
The way we constructed it is, we pulled from the repertoire of the students and what they already knew and somehow tried to find a narrative through not just the singing and the movement and the dance, but through just getting to know them.
Everyone is so welcoming, like the community is so great, and it's really nice to be with people who are as passionate about their art as you are, and you just kind of work off of that energy. It's really sweet.
I was looking out into the crowd, and it's kind of like a jammy song, so when I looked out, I actually saw people dancing along. It was like the best moment of the day, just to see people actually starting to, feel the song and resonate with it.
Just a place of continuing their art really in a very uplifting, positive place where they can really study and focus on what they want to do.
I think once you gain a deeper sense of what art is to you, I think there's almost a sense of responsibility to go beyond the traditional borders and help society.